I'm gonna try it also. I'll be honest. It's burnt. Fábrica surgía, la gente le teme. Amigos, I'm so excited because today's video we're going to make one breakfast meal. So this is just one idea and I hope you get this idea. My main ingredient quickly, quinoa, any kind of quinoa, and nut meal, any kind of nut meal. So that's it, it's very simple. Yeah, actually I'm gonna read the ingredients. Excuse me. One breakfast meal, the ingredients, all that you need. So amigos, that's it. Just one good attitude and quinoa and nut milk, that's it. So amigos, if you don't know me, my name is Ulises Cruz. I'm a professional chef with 10 years of experience and I started doing plant-based cuisine 5 years ago. Let's do it. So amigos, then what do we need? Quinoa. How much of quinoa? Something like half cup of quinoa. If you don't know how to cook quinoa, it's very easy. Just first rinse and drain with water, or rinse a little bit of water, drain in one strainer, and that's it. And also for the portion of the water, if you're not using nut milk, you're going to use water or whatever. Okay? Please don't use vegetable stock because this milk is going to be sweet. So whatever portion you're going to use of quinoa, use the double portion of tarari tarara. Está quedando delicioso. You're going to love it. So bring to boil. So medium high heat. Once it's boiling, I'm going to reduce and I'm gonna cover. And also I'm going to cook how I'm using just half cup of quinoa. Maybe I'm gonna cook something between 8 to 10 minutes or until the water is disappeared. Until there is no water, until there is no nut milk, any kind of nut milk or the kind of you're using. So until that moment I'm gonna cover, reduce until this is completely, once you see it's gone. Yes, once you see there is nothing of water, just turn off the heat and just leave it right there, something like 5-10 more minutes until this is ready. And also amigos, if you're using canela stick or canela powder, I mean it's not canela, it's cinnamon. If you're using cinnamon stick or cinnamon powder, just add it a little bit of vanilla. Just I'm gonna add it something like just a little bit, a few drops, that's it, because it's too strong. A little bit of canela. Right now it's boiling. Just I'm gonna give it a quick stir and that's it. I'm gonna let it cover 8 to 10 minutes. Reduce the heat. Amigos, just keep your eyes on. Once you see there is nothing, just turn off the heat. There is nothing of liquid, there is nothing of nut milk, just turn off the heat. And that's it, just let it cover by a couple more minutes and it should be ready. So then amigos, right now, one saucepan, medium high heat, 1 tablespoon of butter, something like a tablespoon, something like that, you know. Amigos, right now it's something tricky. Right now I'm gonna have caramelized a little bit of 1 apple and also my squash was frozen. Right now it's defrosted. And also I'm gonna try to give a little extra color and flavor. That's why I'm using something like half cup of squash, butternut squash, obviously, and a little bit of this beauty red print also. So once you see it's melted, it's time to add your squash. So try to cut it on cubes, small cubes. Also same size as the other one. I have no brown sugar, but I'm gonna use coconut sugar. Something like 1 table. No. Something like 2 tables. And that's it. That smells so good. So then I'm gonna give it a little extra flavor, extra color. And just keep in mind that toast it. Just don't let it burn it on the saucepan. Amigos, let's see how it looks. Everything. Look at this beauty quinoa. Wow, it smells good. Ta-da! So amigos, then it's time to plate it. So then amigos, a little bit of quinoa on the bottom. And look at this beauty. This is what I said before, just be careful if you don't want to have those kind of deals. I mean, I'm gonna try it also. I'll be honest, it's burnt. Just be careful with that kind of situation, amigos. So my extra of my nut meal. A little bit of pecans. A little bit of cacao nibs. Also, how I said before, this is completely optional. Blueberries, the dehydrated blueberries, cranberries, you know, dates. You can add other sweeteners. This is just one breakfast. It's one idea, amigos. I'm gonna add it a little bit. And also, why not more fresh fruit? One slice, 2 slices, 3 slices, 4 slices, 5 slices, 6 slices. Amigos, look at this beauty. A little bit of coconut shredded. Yes, a little bit of coconut shredded. And nutmeg. Amigos, if you want to add other kind of spice, cardamom goes well. I love the cardamom. I really love the cardamom. That's it. It's very simple. Just I'm gonna add it my coconut meal, and that's it. If you really think that you learned something from me, just I'm gonna appreciate you give 1 thumb up or also share this video. Amigos, I hope you get this recipe or this idea. I'm pretty sure that you're gonna love it. Please try it and tell me in the comments what you think about it. Don't forget to hit like and share this video if you really learned something from me. I appreciate it. That's all for me. If you really learned something from me, that's all for me. So just remember the main ingredients, quinoa and milk. But the first ingredient, the main ingredient is good attitude. Just use good attitude.